All right, imagine this. 3 years from now, you're collecting $10,000 a month in passive income, all because you took the strategic plan that I'm about to give you seriously. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I would go about building a commercial real estate portfolio from scratch, starting in 2025 or whenever you happen to find this video, because this process will still be relevant. No fluff, no hype, just a real tactical plan that I would follow if I had to start all over without a huge pile of cash. Let's dive in. I'm Tyler Cobble. I've been doing commercial real estate for 12 years now. I have a portfolio of over 2 million square feet of commercial real estate, and I've helped a lot of people just like you build their own commercial real estate investment portfolios. So here's the big idea. I wouldn't focus on how much money I have. I'd focus on becoming a deal finding machine, because when you're great at finding opportunities, the capital follows. This whole strategy is built around one thing. You bring the deal, they bring the money, you both build wealth. I'd focus on value add commercial real estate. Asset type doesn't matter. It works with literally any type of commercial properties: industrial, retail, office, self-storage, you name it, it's gonna work. And I'd structure every deal with smart financing and strategic partnerships. That way I could scale fast without burning through my own cash. So step one, get obsessed with finding great deals. You need to become someone who can consistently spot an opportunity. Off market, mismanaged, underpriced, properties where you can create value. That means getting to know your market in and out. Drive it, walk it, talk to brokers, build a list of owners. Look for properties that haven't changed hands in 7+ years. Then start reaching out to them. Make the cold calls, send the direct mailers, walk in after knocking on the door if you're that bold. Because here's the truth. When you find a great deal, everything else gets easier. Raising money, easier. Getting good financing terms, easier. Your credibility, way easier. Stop waiting for good deals to show up and go out there and actually find them. Step two, build your investor network way before you need it. Once you're finding solid deals, you need to align with people who have the capital, but maybe they don't have the time or even the know-how to do this themselves. That's where you come in. You're the operator. You bring the deal, you structure the play, you earn equity by making it all happen. Create a simple one-pager or a pitch deck. Break down who you are, what your strategy is, and how you create value in the deals that you do. Then go talk to everyone: friends, family, business owners, other investors, your cousin's roommate from college. Doesn't matter. You just need to find 100 investors. You just need a few who trust you and want to build wealth passively. The better your deals, the faster your capital network is going to grow. Step three, target the right property and the right seller. You're looking for deals where you can create value. I can't say that enough. You're not just trying to collect rent. So think undermanaged, outdated, poorly marketed, or just totally underutilized assets. And the best plays? These are deals that have been owned by the same person or the same family for probably 7 to 15 years. They've built up equity, they're probably tired, they may want to retire or trade up into something better. Those are your ideal sellers. They're way more likely to agree to creative financing if you approach them right. So forget the asset type. Focus on the story behind the deal. You're not just buying buildings, you're solving problems and creating upside. Step four, use seller financing to structure better deals. It's one of the most powerful tools, hands down, when you're starting lean. Target properties that have been held for a long time. Ideally, they're gonna have no debt or low debt. You'll then offer to buy them with seller financing. Show them a simple one-page breakdown of how that benefits them. Steady monthly income, tax deferral, no broker fees, simple closing. You're giving them a smart, clean exit and giving yourself better terms, better cash flow, and better speed to close. Most investors won't even ask for seller financing. And if they do, they're terrible at explaining the benefits for the seller. But you will, and that's why you've got an edge. Step five, scale through sweat equity. This is the accelerator, especially if you don't have a ton of capital. I definitely didn't when I was getting started. You create the value by doing the work. You find the deal, you negotiate it, you run the due diligence, you execute the plan, you manage the property or the manager. And in return, you're earning equity. 5%, 10%, 25%, whatever you negotiate, really based on what you're bringing to the table. You stack 10, 12, or even 15 of these deals over time, and at 300 to 500 plus bucks per month per deal in cash flow, that's how you get to over $10,000 a month in passive income without taking any crazy risks or draining your own savings. Your equity grows with every deal because your skills are what's driving the value. Step 6, be patient but intentional. This is a 3-year plan, not a 3-month shortcut. Nothing in commercial real estate or really real estate in general is. Here's how I would break it down. Year 1, you're learning. You're building your network, you're closing your first 1 to 3 deals, proving that you can operate. Year 2, now you've got traction. You're closing more deals, your equity splits are improving, you're running faster now. Year 3, you're in the flow. People are bringing you deals, investors trust you, you've got 10 to 15 properties under your belt at $300 to $500 a month a deal. That's how you hit $10,000 a month. I've got one deal that we're under construction on right now that will bring me personally $15,000 a month in passive income. But that's because I've spent over 12 years in commercial real estate at this point, so you can see how it snowballs. This isn't just about one big win. It's about running the play over and over again. So you don't need a trust fund, you don't need $1 million, you just need a plan and the will to actually execute it. Find deals, build relationships, structure smart, repeat the process. I put together a free deal analysis toolkit to help get you started. You'll find that link in the description below. Use it, it's free, and start taking action. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, drop a comment letting me know what part of this strategy you're going to implement first. This is your roadmap. Now it's on you to start the journey. Check out this video next on how to find great deals that work with this strategy.